In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Excel formulas calculate automatically. If your totals look stuck or your formulas don't update when you change a value, Excel is probably set to manual calculation. Switching back to automatic makes every edit refresh instantly, which keeps your data accurate and saves you from hunting down outdated numbers. Start by clicking any cell that contains a formula. This grounds you in the right place and lets you see the formula in the formula bar, confirming that Excel recognizes it as a formula rather than typed text. It's a simple check, but it helps you avoid troubleshooting the wrong issue. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Formulas tab. This is where Excel groups all the calculation controls. If the ribbon is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full set of options. The setting we need won't appear if the ribbon is hidden. Now find the section labeled Calculation and click Calculation Options. This menu controls when Excel recalculates. If it's set to manual, Excel won't refresh results automatically, which explains why numbers may appear frozen until a recalculation is triggered. From that menu, choose Automatic. As soon as you select it, Excel recalculates the workbook. And going forward, any change you make, editing a value, inserting rows, or updating a referenced cell will update formulas immediately without extra actions. That's the behavior most users expect and the safest choice for everyday work. A few helpful notes while you're here. Some large or shared workbooks are intentionally saved with manual calculation to improve editing performance. If one of those files is the first you open in a session, Excel can carry that setting into other workbooks. If you ever notice formulas not updating, return to the Formulas tab, open Calculation Options, and confirm it's set to Automatic. There's also an option called Automatic except for data tables, which leaves normal formulas on auto-update but holds back recalculation of data tables to keep big models responsive. Use that if you rely heavily on those tables. And if a sheet still seems unresponsive after switching, make sure your formulas are valid and that there isn't a circular reference or error elsewhere stopping the chain of calculations. That's all it takes. Click a formula cell, go to the Formulas tab, open Calculation Options, and set it to Automatic. With that single change, your spreadsheets will stay current as you type, helping you trust your results and work faster.